You understand English. When someone speaks, you know the meaning. But when it's your turn to reply, your brain freezes. You stay silent. Or your answer comes 10 seconds too late. And when you finally say something, the conversation has already moved on. If this happens to you, don't worry. It does not mean your English is bad. It means your brain is processing too slowly for real conversations. Today I'm going to show you why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix your response speed so you can reply faster and sound natural in English. The real problem: slow language processing. Most learners think their problem is vocabulary. But the real problem is something else. Slow language processing. Your brain does this when someone speaks. Step 1, hear English. Step 2, translate to your native language. Step 3, understand the meaning. Step 4, think of an answer. Step 5, translate your answer to English. Step 6, finally speak. That is 6 steps. And conversations move fast. Native speakers skip most of these steps. They simply hear, understand, respond. Your brain is doing too many processes, and that creates delay. But the good news is, you can train your brain to respond faster. Let's fix it. Reason 1, you translate before speaking. This is the biggest reason people reply slowly. When someone asks, "How was your weekend?" your brain thinks, "Weekend, ACHA the," how to say ACHA the, good. Very good. Enjoyable. By the time you decide the sentence, the conversation has already moved forward. The solution is thinking in simple English. Instead of building perfect sentences, train yourself to respond with short automatic answers. For example, "How was your weekend?" Instead of thinking too much, say, "It was good. Pretty relaxing. Not bad actually." Short answers are fast answers. Speed matters more than perfection. Reason 2, your brain is searching for perfect words. Many learners delay their response because they want the perfect vocabulary. But conversations don't work like that. Imagine someone asks, "What do you think about this movie?" Your brain starts searching for advanced words like interesting, fascinating, captivating. But you don't need that. You can simply say, "I liked it. It was okay. It was really fun." Simple English is fast English. Remember this rule. Fluent speakers don't search for perfect words. They use the first word that comes to mind. Reason 3, your brain is not used to fast conversations. Another reason you reply late is simple. Your brain is not trained for real conversation speed. Most learners practice English slowly. They read slowly. They listen slowly. They repeat slowly. But real conversations are fast and unpredictable. So when someone speaks quickly, your brain struggles to catch up. The solution is speed training. Start listening to fast English every day. YouTube interviews. Podcasts. Movies. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain will slowly adapt to the rhythm of English. And once your brain gets used to the speed, your responses become faster. Reason 4, you are afraid of making mistakes. Sometimes the delay is not language. It is fear. You understand the question. You know what you want to say. But your brain starts thinking, what if my grammar is wrong? What if my pronunciation sounds bad? What if they laugh? So you stay silent for a few seconds. This hesitation kills your response speed. Here is the truth. Native speakers make mistakes too. Conversation is not a grammar exam. Communication is about sharing ideas quickly, not perfectly. If you make mistakes but speak confidently, people still understand you. So focus on communication, not perfection. Now let's fix your response speed. Here are 3 powerful exercises to train your brain. If you practice these daily, your replies will become much faster. Exercise 1, the 2-second rule. This exercise is simple but powerful. Whenever someone asks you something in English, follow this rule. Respond within 2 seconds. Do not overthink. Say the first simple answer that comes to your mind. Example. Question. What did you do today? Instead of thinking for 10 seconds, say. I worked today. I studied a little. Nothing special. Your answer does not need to be long. The goal is speed. This trains your brain to respond automatically. Exercise 2, daily fast speaking practice. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Choose a simple topic like your day, your favorite food, your plans for tomorrow. Now speak continuously. Do not stop. Do not correct mistakes. Do not translate. Just keep talking. At first, it may feel difficult. But after a few days, your brain will start producing sentences much faster. Exercise 3, shadowing technique. This is one of the best fluency exercises. Here is how it works. Play a short English video. Listen to the speaker. Now repeat what they say immediately while they are speaking. Try to copy their speed, rhythm, pronunciation. This exercise forces your brain to process English quickly. And it trains your mouth to speak without delay. If you do this daily for just 10 minutes, your response speed will improve dramatically. A powerful mindset shift. Here is something important you must understand. Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. Fluency is about how fast your brain uses the words you already know. Many learners know a lot of vocabulary, but they still speak slowly. Why? Because their brain is not trained to respond automatically. Fluent speakers don't build sentences slowly. They react instantly. And you can train this ability. Your brain is like a muscle. Think about it like this. If you go to the gym for the first time, lifting weights feels difficult. Your muscles are slow. But after weeks of practice, your body becomes stronger and faster. The same thing happens with English. Your brain is a language muscle. The more you practice fast thinking and fast speaking, the stronger it becomes. Final message. If you understand English but reply too late, remember this. You don't need more grammar. You don't need harder vocabulary. You need faster thinking. Stop translating. Use simple words. Respond quickly. Practice fast speaking every day. And slowly, something amazing will happen. Your brain will stop hesitating. Your answers will come naturally. And conversations will start feeling easy and automatic.